Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Biamono kigimo mwancho morigelia bu television ya Ndizi TV magaro bengia ando sia sobrete kero cyaragire Chinsa Isato echo tuko ubwalero inyora na kirali tuko lia Jumamosi ni gukomerana na inche aiga segete seniki ya nambeyemo kya Ndizi TV elio tonya kwemanya mange ali abiriga gwateka kurwa Chinsa nyonsi chorogongo Gusii biamono kigima asoka bomwegeno na bwo kuri limero bili ito Chinsa 24 aiga se television ya Ndizi TV biamono kigima ase andonsi ibono ase oberete inyuranga na boko enda semitando yeito Facebook niko toka buna Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo YouTube toka buna Ndizi TV News elibono nyale kuri limero bili yeito Chinsa 24 inyuranga kero dili tukule Jumatatu ya Jumamosi niko tokogenda somuru bili weke umbu makayugo kura amangana maya ekerobono twanyara gukwana ali atulingete ntwe buno Gusii na boigo mangana siasa na magenderero imiyoro gonkoro Gusii evene county ya Nyamira evene county ya Kisii na boigo na ime ya Kenya ngima egera yuna tulingete na boigo na mange ali ebuna yuganeti kumanya kurwa sigete seniki ona mbeyemo ekia Ndizi TV bono asobo tukobwa lero nigo nali ngembe no mweshimiwa Manani Richmond kurwa segodi ali abogeka kulende asingi nchoyeke na kilia tingo chikobanere ni gongo chikobano mweshimiwa Peter Utachi kuna indeli talinde nyororo kurwa segwadi ya monyerero eli turagasolia mange ayo agendrete gukorekana segwadi ya na boigo ime county ya Kisii omwako yomo mugima oetire na byogoto igoro tumanye na ngigendrete ase Chinsa mochonsi ime county eye ya Kisii bono mwanchu murigelia togende sema ya kabere tokoerena na mangana maya senchira yobukirano ya kigima mwancho morigeria bu television ya Ndizi TV tindi njegweka nigotore na Joshua Auta uyo okoletera mangana maya senchira yumuntu wabu imanyirio eyemo aseyemo nigotogoso ase amangana maya na nigotogo chakira kurwase county ya Nyamira sibirengererio au bigenderete kurwe bwako bwatekana nogo cha amo na bwo kwelike kwa ba MCA kurwase county eyo ya Nyamira elio gocha kobeke kerengererio yoge kwanira na bwo komurusia mugavana bwe county yo korengana no yukabeire omo senator kurwase county yo ya Nyamira omo okorokwa okongo omongare ni gobono ate bribuna korengana nere ni gotaro chikede gyonsi ekyo kya beire osomugabano yo abere gakora na eyo nembebosa kende ngeyo kigocha gokorekana omusakito Brighton Makori ligakwarigana iri robot yoruo asenjera yobikirano
ingana yaba MCA kurwase county Nyamira yirengete gochigotware gikaro Litgo lya Jumaine iligo kwaniranga kibatagete ku mwaka isiko mugavana bwe county yo ya Nyamira nigo bono ligendete kubwata inse asabarai awao bagendete kuri birengera byabo igoro yingana eyo kurinde mugavana bwe county yo Amos Nyaribo
mwete ambaonere ko usabobe tago kumia nari kiraba MCA rirube baje toisaranze batebe kibago tebe kiagara Boikera bono egeje tina amanyanki bagatera.
Ayana araba MCA babwate anene ekarobara letie buna nigo barengete ko chikumwaka isiko mugavana we county eyo.
Na hiyo ndio sababu tuko hapa kuweza kutekeleza jukumu letu la kumulika, that is oversighting,
and we are ready to remove him from the office. So if I were him, I could have moved right away today.
Uyo kabeire omo senator we county eyo mungare bwokongo bono nigeso kirie na kumocheba MCA abu
eseche MCA che mokabunango ngorusire gavana aso obokurumi na aligereria masakara na ajire koganya bunge ye county assembly yawende kusanganira ali tukuri ichuma ekorekende yonsipi botepe motion igore bate bete namba bwata magoso tali magoso babuate evidence ende yonsi
iguru yokubeka insejisei
sikine cha mwarora na ande muna chirikire very well sikene chinchi alenge chugo chikwakana umuntu musara buna kyaba mugabano itu ntutari seki tubwate naye Ebintu by'abanyamira tutagete tusamuche to be 28 men and women who have signed down and we are ready to remove him from the office.
Asenzemo yaye mungare nigaterubuna bamusiya buti babwati obosaidi boisaine
che musie chikumwe n'abantu banyamira bune basangere kisigana cha 28 a document imbwata na Gusii County Assembly ya Nyamira as a clerk obise clerk kisigana cha jiro ejire ko bina isano ego che musie chi goika chirigere ko tanti kumwe n'abantu banyamira
konengana mungare nigamenderuna ingane yo nigesegedirege siasa
bali babwete esekero kyo bogabana basaire kwemo kichio ababunge be County Assembly kuna matoke kusamagana kuri hoteli Kericho hoteli Kisumu hoteli Nairobi
kurinde abemusiye nigo bakanire abade abuna go ikabono barabuti baragorwa
biriamwa mu kigote bibunga twagorirwe oyo ore tuetayoga ntuntoragoru
boigo mungare nigasingire gote abuna abemusiye abo nigo bategete kokosanya libo erinda sok kibese
abamanyire chinjira chiabo chugotaka komnyokie gavana ebe chibese bae yasinyire amario anyagatari ba ukwana mbabu at ground chibese chipasa ba ukwana documente bakatane gavana ebe chibese che assembly wose chipasa ego chia musie chitari ko akani abantu banyamira omunyamira no montoyo homo koreta siasa yo mogetutu siasa yo mogirango siasa yoyo siasa yoria ntoja kwanjira manganayo
inki gekogera no Nyamira gugucha butuko kwanyore ire gesunte okuboranga igore rigati nyamaronge rigati ese mama samba su mundabwa to buli moyaka 700 why ine town obishingi tuko na kobero bisia gabana agwe miaka yo mu county commissioner aintu tubwate kibesa cyabera rocket die budget miaka yonsi
ni matatu kwamba ikiwa ameshiriki katika vitendo vya ufisadi angatuke peke yake tumungatue bila au tatu tupeleke yeye jela
boigonya liboni gabo ry'abamusiya bukogendera gukora imirimo yabo yo kurigera link ya serikali yakorere ase county yo ya Nyamira
abachumbe bose abamusiya bari bachorire wekaba kora gasiamo batakora tie gasiamo gase kaba gasingiya ekiakaronye babwata mararamishi tigabache motwe bateba makosa agabana nara hii niki kerio ya byegetwe asenge jona umara chore gabana ore barimo bagegete araisa basarie bintu jetina asarikende yoti gabache
bono abanyamira nigo bachuganya litsko lya Jumaine gosomoro birunga kyochikogendera ekero abamusiya batianire nagatebuna nigo bachukumwaka isuko mugabana bwe county yo ya Nyamira ngori boterigeta seni Candice TV eridariane Brighton Makori
Yamana okigima uyo Brighton Makori asoroboti orwo ekobwatikana na yagendrete ekurwasi county ya Nyamira gutikana nayo amateyemo ni gobono yaganirie obwene bwabo ejemagika yoyo mobo gusumwana obwomunyeroka uyo osoma se college hemo imeye county ya Kiambu asomwa ko kabere gusiarirwa machambuliro igoika kujya numwanchoye oli ojidie ochiete bichuko goika senseria ya America kolengana no roboti ni gotebekana buna nyina omumuro yubo igo nere nigo achiete gotoria engane yo egatia babere nere egasiarirwa mache nabo igo nigo babere bakoba asenye gitari ya busongo ime yomuche ose tauni ya Kisii omwakili Danstan Omari nigo bona soire asekinekyo na niga kwanira mange kobwatekana ningane yo mosakito jo mangi nigo kwariga ni roboti orwa senkira yo bikiranu.
They are asking us to withdraw the case before they pay her bill.
Agayenka mukurwa ebirero byabo igore ko bosererigwa obugima omwakili Danstan Omari nigate ebire nakikogendera ko bwaterana n'abanyanyimbo linde ko rwanerera obwene bw'umworokigwa oyo ore gosomera e college ensemo ya Kiambu oyo beteka kogoserwa n'umukagerwa oyo renge omwanchoye
musubati omwabo e client kyane na karamire na kari threatened osomeiru otebi ungo itware so linje moretega ituko either Wednesday or Thursday alike statement abantu bamuthreatened n'abantu abanene bamuthreatened n'ekisimi n'ekitext message immediately karatu aretire report ya nabara babe investigated
nigabanti abo babete bakumanya nagwetera ase omutandao o Facebook asomo sacho yo amenyete ense ya America
omusubati basinyanete no mumuroye boyfriend yae boyfriend yakarua America igachika mungaina ikamureta na nsobe komureta kugamba mangana ichombe
ugutaigwana na ase nyome yo ase umukagerwa abeteka kumusialira amache amuliro.
Tulikuwa na argument alafu akanipiga kwa room, nikaenda kuambia mamake mali alikuwa kitchen, hakuwa nataka nimwambie. Sasa akakuja huko kitchen akasikia nilikuwa namwambia, kulikuwa na maji ilikuwa ina boil kwa gas, akanimwagia.
Engana eyuniga beteke koliboti gwa asege station ky'abanyanyimbo kya Mosocho kolende asengenche obulito bwekinekyo ekabage koiro kya bisi kya DCI account ya Kisii
ara lakini musubati oli akibacha amacha ali akanyora ngina akaumia muno sana ngina nabera nyagitari igora bete discharged musubati inko represent na aba discharged last week amangana ya ka report ku Mosocho police station asengenche yobulito bwekinekyo akaba transferred akaletwa Kisii asomo DCI
kolende amabolyo nalinga inki abanyanyimbo batarayira egetambokero goikira bono
nacha rero twagambire no mu DCI Mr. Ben twagambire no mu investigating officer Agnes bantebiri na esababu ekogera umuntu atarabwatwa nerina umu client yone igabete discharge last week bare kwenda police protect statement oringina umuru oyoro murwaneti igora igoreretu statement kya my client kya iriru P3 ya ichoriu
omwakili Dunstan Omari nate abamba chikobwaterana n'abanyanyimbo nekyombege koligereria abantu bakwamboka ku Chinsa cheisiko ase umuno bw'Kenyamolero immigration linde koeneke buno mokagerwa nkoirerware egetambokeryo egetindi
kinam yogekogendra because bono nchende side ya police. We are working together to defend your muswati uri itetwe. We are working together to ensure rich ambashi riya rweta America ligaja korwania baswati ga litamonyetina ingakiyoko ega ya chencheti korwania bakungu. That is not acceptable anymore.
Ono nigo botukibwa chakire elinde kumanya obwene igorenganeye astarabe tokulomanyi bunamangana ya arabe gagwatika rose abisi cha DCI account ya Kisii Kinkon Poteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Yomono oyoni gakoro kwa Job Maangi urio koletero roboti urubuku bwatikana nege koru kiugia koletwe bimono kigimo mwanchu murilia nigo togoska bosio gochia so roboti bonde aba MCA kuru ase county ya Kisii nigo baboriwe ko irege tambukiro kigutumika burunge kibesa ekyo babire bakoegwa bwikirano nabo igokora magendero alia batakeire gokwana museneta bwi county ya Kisii umuske Richard Onyunga nigo bono atebiruna nigo aba MCA bubante goikase binyoro aho nakoboria ebirengererio byabamenye hali abategete bakorerwe elinde ko bayikerania buna eganeirie nyoro roboti oruo
aba MCA baito bagusi kibese kiakire kiro monto airu 40 million yende kenyoro twara public hearings tebi abantu kibese ki 40 million ingi gukora kire ward kwana nabantu baminte kiyari kibese kinchiri nsinini osoko chiake toto ekini kibese kirange kishilingi kibilioni 3.5 angeni kibilioni 4. That is a lot of money. I persuade the leadership ya Gusii tema mutumye kibese cyabana inchi buya ekiagera Kenya yo boibi bwabukire na buboli njoma etena ate father. I will be talking about until I die. Less batige koiba kibese cy'umwana inchi ukawaida kende nkeyo Kenya mura chinche janabeli rogorali achiko baguna bitungurumu muntu akwende trip America o akeyenda Australia ogenda Canada oira na gocha o aka South Africa oenda Rwanda Burundi rena wa milioni sanemo mitinyibere tayo so bunge onye ngainereria bangire bunge bamboli mbama lisiti. That is what we are doing. Nakinago kera lero narulenga seti gotebanga wastage yani oboibi in Kenya bwabukire so tiga twanse gukwana bari tore birogo onyo mweshimiwa Kibagende oyo rukibesa tata Kibagende tumie besa ngora oyo otona abantu aba obatage toto n'abantu aba batenga kende ngiya icambu ya turi
ekero tugendrete ningani jukuru asumu seneta wa county ya Kisii omusike Richard Momoima Onyonga nigo gendereire kuburia umugabana wa county ya Kisii omusike Simbarati gutigo kongusana na boigo kwirangora elio kugamba esenchera endonge nigo bono aganirie libere lya gisiasa elio likobaliko genderase county ya Kisii kuirani gwanse
na beire nkoburia Simba Bwarati agambe gusibuya na beire nkomosorora apunguse liberera atigesegi abamuraba akogamba bonsi pi na beire nkobaburia batige koleta liberera bosongeye ekiagera ekina kikiage kyomugusii na ande gaigese ngenchire seito igontagete kumuburia esamasikani ekiagera maene seke Gusii Simba ninje na musega akabega bana inje na musega na temire na ande ningendera tegotema kumukwanira Gusii getagito murembe Gusii tetagitirio mana omugusii gatagito kumuira ngora bunaki bunango bakuiya Mugusii tetagitio muye Mugusii ago gutioso eroje so egente ke ngoge kwana because omuntu nanga akeresimio kombolinga nkwai weto bole mombole ngumbwa kumugaka kegesa nge county government ekomura gosingi bago koreranga batebi kegesa na manyete no alinga ali ku 1974 ata ali bibu no to agachire tinga madali gatobole muri gutira ali bwensi no bwa kegesa bwalinga so ebintu byo konyora abantu bagukura atulira amale maito nakitoko ba mongino yo mo gakwete kwete sengenche nkoro yamo shitwete obole mubuli bwakegesa ninche family ya irete nkaenda nkabaletera chitaito diri cyarenge saba nkabatebagana
yamano kigimakera otwakore kurwa soroboti ruru museneta wa county ya Kisii nigo tugotigara kurese county ya Kisii ase amateyemo kurwensemo ya Chisaro ime ya Bonchari ase county ye nigo baganetio bwene bwabo ugotoka magiga yugukagirwa gutakiranse ku morokia oyomo chigaki chubono mu waziri bwegise mikuru ase county ya Kisii nigo alireire yogo chia kubwatiriye nganeyo na kwenekia buna yeikire omwelyo kigima asamange Dipon Asanya umusakirito nabwate oroboti urwo
Dirimuna komote bigo umwana uri agasuka gukikanda obwaregete
yamatayemo kurase bunge ya Bonchari nigeti karite no muichano magayo umwana wo munyaroka oyure myaka 15 nomo yukagire kubwatiranirwa amono mwalimu we myaka 55 nebere kurase skuru yamo yoboroso noyo noro muchakano we sabari eywe
mwalimu yachitaga chane pikipiki agacha gatenenirie pikipiki njira rugo iriatenenirie pikipiki njira rugo mwana akandangiri mamu mwalimu ochire kumagori gacha angese tikachiche kumwa okamataika agaswa nyomba liriaswa nyomba mwalimu agacha akaikaransa ikaransa komboli na mamu mwaba free tanga matebie ninje mamu mwaba free okomboli ngiata chire skuru ngomataya aja mbura mwa musere tichibesa nayo mwalimu na musere chibesa ngaruonga mutaya ya chibesa chinkonyora nabonda nyora chibesa mweno imambi lakini mambingo chale school bana liye aigeta pakabuta korwa ngante yo mwana yo natache school ninje ngogerura gira mpake ndagira mwalimu na bakumukani ndagira na mwalimu kwetip yani headmaster teri kumukani ndagira
kulinde maega yaywe esabali yetichieti kohererabwe
imo kalenda akagenda akatebyo mwana akamukoba akarua kamakota mambitinga yo school mambyo mwana yo kagende school ngo cyari ko sari we school tigo mwana yo yiche chuma sengenjo ni nokali mambi ninga bwatekegani aracha akagani ngerembo ataracha aranganeria abage ndiamo kwa beta kamwe transport ndiamo transport umwana wo gochonte mamu mwalimu ngire transport njire komaganiria ekegani
eye masayemo goika asa matabekani yokomerana
mwamtebati bache komerana stage yemete inari ryo mwalimu bana arenge gocha kumuyeria ororo bono twaliro mwana one kokoroka na konye butambi na kamubwate bono ntinta koretik ndamubwate ntamanyeti
iga kebigi kia manyorete ore no mwana miaka 16
ase gikagitari egetambe abaibori nigo banyoreta ya kurua asaba amate
etwakore simino omonto onka esiminga inchumpaka suneka omwana ino bwatiru no mugaka gete uyo tamanyiri ekero twachicha na ritwa ikirega gatogotebu abantu bamugwata na bapota pota no mwarimu orenge gwechisa nera banyorware no mwana uyu bakwenda gucheroji eroji
na kerwe simina tabi ko mwana one polisi ali na chicharende na chire nali na chire na nyorire bamobe kire gali miriri ndingo maboli ngaki kwasoire gali maiga mwana uri amosiga abasigari batosele nali banzeli na baseli na mumuromi ntolende twasuka magega bamuka bamuira nango mupima baguchi
goikabono obosibore bw'omwana oyo omunyaroka mbora ene kigwa gochia ase family ase bono basemeretie konyora oboene bwabo kurwa ase serikali
ntwanyora omwana muno twikira ntwanyora mwana pota poto nde bwensi urato tabi na kija yaringika na kitu tete kumanya kuetira kurwa saba sigari tumaye na ki igente kine kikiarenge elinda batwerese gocha boni twikoro twafutirwa mbali
arabatirwa bene nigorora bwato kweli tukolia Jumatatu kurwa somo CPD o Kisii South iyo kutoka Chinsa mocha suneka asebo igomu waziri wejisemi Ezekiel Machogu anyalire kolie ira yogo chaka obutukibene bwega korekyo yinko ripotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV kurwa sebunge ya bonchari elietalia nendipon asanya
biamono asanya soroboti uruo kurwa sensemeyo ya bonchari kolengana nelichiko ekonyole birengererio by'abananchi igoro yari abatagete bakorerwe negati yaria county ebonete gukora bono omusokito Job Mahangi nigo aunjukana neteme county ya Nyamira eri osangiriria ebirengererio by'abananchi kurwa sensemeyo kubwatekana nari abaganeti gukorerwa aso mwaka bw'ejibesa oyo olebosyo yaito bono nigakubekire roboti oru amo asintira yubwikira nukigima incheni gonta tentigere gabo elinde oliyeli roboti oru ngendete kuyaligania ekero mwishimiwa Peter Utachi gosenyororo agoikaga iga elinde toso asomorogirio obweke umbo litobwaterana nere nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kuresemo yimanyiririo naboigo Petra Mokera kuresemo ya kabere inche nigokuru kwa John Kebati.
Maega yo kuigi kugwe katiba enya yo mwaka chirubere na 10 abakenya nigo banyorete obusibore wekonyorera obokoleri n'amagenderero angena barabwo wetera asi serikali chichi county wetera ase katiba eyo chi county emerongo ene na isano na ibere chikaba chikorosigwa egati yabo county ya Nyamira.
So my name is Paul Nyango. I'm the Director of Planning and Budget, Nyamira County. What we are doing at the moment today is what's called public participation, and we are talking about the annual development plan for this county. And the ADP, in short, means that we are looking at the priorities of the projects which the wananchi wants us to do in the county for 1 year.
Iligoikirania bene amaganio y'abakenya ekengesege katiba chimia ibere na yemo ensemo ya emerongo 5 na isano na ibere ase umuntu agwekenya molero article 201 section 87 ebingese byaye ebike enamba emia eyemo nemerongo ebere na isano emia eyemo nemerongo ebere na isano nemo ibirengete obutenenelibwe nibo yechi county niko bikogania buna eserikali osangereria ebirengereri by'omwananchi igoro y'amagenderero aliyo baganetie gokorerwa anene mono ase emiroberi yechi county kera omwaka.
The law requires us that we must conduct public participation, and that ensure that whatever we put in our plans and the budget are as per the people's wants, whatever they want from the community. So it's not something that somebody just sit down in the office and say, I want to allocate money. It allows us to allocate resources as the people's needs. I think to me that's my view in terms of the importance of this exercise.
asekerenga gyokwikirania ekeng'esi kerichiko eserikali ekaunti Nyamira gwetera orosage rwaye rwa finance, ICT and economic planning ekarigania omoroberi bogosangereria ebirengereryo by'umunyamira asiti sub county isano Burabu, Masaba North, Manga, Nyamira North na Nyamira South. Igoro yemeroberi y'amagenderero aso umwaka chiribu 2024 umwaka chiribu 2025.
Yes, my name is Zablon Momanyi Kerina. I am the administrator in charge of the Department for Land, Housing, Fiscal Planning and Urban Development as the Director Administration in that department. We are having a public participation exercise here. This is the annual development plan. So we are trying to, we have already extracted our projects from the CIDP. The County Integrated Development Plan is a medium-term plan that is going to take us to 2027. So for each year we shall be doing something, we shall be doing development until 2027. So today we have called the public from among those projects that have been captured by the CIDP so that they can identify the ones they want done urgently, at least for this financial year, 2023-2024. So we wanted the people to identify from among those that are in the CIDP. Igochi project jiriwa chorete lirekera bari wa identify chi project to CIDP na oto chibwate se gendekega. Bono ga igase iga na libago choranga karato korereye eyende mo chimokoro mwaka ogocha. Nero tutagete mono eyende tigeche chengora.
Asamalita Ngorogo Douglas akuma Mbongi ndemo ofisa Department ya Health Services County Government ya Nyamira. Ro turega kebirigo ase ward ya Nyamatuta tore aseke saise kanene tokora public participation iyo gotokonya kusangireria maoni kurasa wananchi elio tumanyenge wananchi batagete na ibintu biru bagotweresa na bigo chikoba captured as a financial year 2024-2025 annual development plan. Ono no traiga twa chakirubya and then to endete ko nyora amaoni kurasa wananchi.
Asekerenga gyokwenekia buna abantu abange ngoikere kabare omo director of planning and budgeting ase county Nyamira Paul Onyango nigakwerera egatyemeroberi bakobeka elinde kwenekia buna nonya omunyamira omanyete isiko ye county eyo nkorware ebirengereryo byaye.
We have segmented these particular areas into sub-counties, and each sub-county we are targeting a ward. And the ward has got a venue. For example, we have Nyansiongo. We are expecting to have that particular exercise in Nyansiongo CDF Hall. We have Mekenene Chebilat Market. Sometimes we prefer open spaces because it attracts people from even markets and so on. So that's why sometimes you see now we select market centers. We have a CISE division of ground. You can see these are markets. These are government venues. If you mention a division or chiefs camp, people always are synonymous with these particular venues because sometimes they hold public rallies, but not public rallies, but barazas. So that's why sometimes we go for those chiefs camps. And we also have youth halls like a Kerenyo. We have a youth hall. If you mention a youth, you know what you expect. For example, now we are targeting those kind of group of people. We have also mentioned MCS offices. These are electoral offices. So if you say member of county assembly, people will be having an idea of where they are supposed to meet. For example, MCS office, we have chosen somewhere here in Bosamaro, Nyachogochogo MCS office, Kibirigo MCS office in Bonyamatuta. Then we have vocational centers like Bogichora. We have tea buying center as well. This was one of the areas that we have chosen in township here. You know, in Nyamira County, if you mention tea, you know the tea buying centers, we are where people normally come there to buy or sell tea or something like that. So it's the venues that we have chosen are very strategic, and we hope that we'll meet the right people to give us the information in regards to this. I'm aware that some of this targeting might not make it to the venues, but we've even made it very clear in our advert that we are targeting everybody, even diasporas. We are using platforms like online. You can send your proposals to those particular through the online process. We have the email. We have also said that. Those who are not able also to give the information, we are not able to attend. We have ward offices, we have some county offices. They can do a memorandum written process that are for wake hapo.
Sasa mimi naitwa Beatrice Nyaboke Nyatigo, sub county administrator for Nyamira South. Wale usually wale hawafiki, kuna wanakuja kwa ofisi yetu, that's ward admin's office ama sub county admin's office, wanatoa maoni yao huko through kuandika. Wale hawafiki siku kama leo, they use a chance later, wanakuja ama mapema wanatoa maoni yao, wanataka wafanyiwe nini. Na ninawaambia wale, kuna wengine hawakuja kabisa, wao wanafikiria ukikuja hapo unalipwa. Public participation atulipi watu, unajitolea wewe mwenyewe, unakuja unasema maendeleo yenye unataka. So na waahidi wote wakuje hapa, hakuna malipo, ndio sababu kitu inaenda kufanywa hii project, wewe ndio utasaidia kama mwananchi huko chini.
The key important thing here is that we have what is called county budget and economic forum members, who are people representatives. They are representing different groups in the community, and we expect them to give back the information to these people. And in any forum, we conduct what is called even participation. We can meet stakeholders, we can meet different representatives. Because you can see now we have mentioned youth and so on. At least the information will go back. Well, that's the assumption that we have. Because you cannot meet everybody on the doors. But at least there are platforms for the wananchi to bring the information. There are also platforms for the feedback to the wananchi. We have keenly used CBF members. You can see they are outside there. You are going to have time with them. They are representing the people, and therefore the information they will collect from our end has to go back to the people. We also expect them that they should be giving us the information that has come from their representatives, so that they are included in the planning process.
Kwene kebuna amagenderero ngoikirare kira ekenyero ime kaunti Nyamira, serikali ya kaunti Nyamira nigekora emirimo nechi ward administrator na boigo abaraibe byombe ao gose opinion leaders obakwene kebuna ebirengerero byakira omunyamira nkobekwa bire asemesa na gotegererwa asomo bwekano award ya ACC.
Jambo Safania Mwandi kutoka Award. Kwa majina ni Nyabero Gesicho kutoka Isoge ACC Award.
Amjambo na karibu. Kwa majina ni Kennedy Ndege kutoka Mtuma hapa ACC.
Amjambo.
Kwa majina ni Karen Kemuto Ratemu, Volunteer Council, Itumbe, Kisii Ward.
Kwa majina naitwa Nyanga Enosh, Tongatiro, Kisii Ward. Jackson Sengenge, Nyansakya, Kisii Ward.
Senche marieta ne ankor kwena ni beru gesicho irondo etisoge erimia Kisii Ward na iga situacha mnatarangiriti county government isiyogurai Excellency Nyaribo no goja kuligereria amaendeleo ye ward bone birengeri bitu twarwa na ndibyengencho asengencho county government igoro yoboremi nabwo bagoteba someone wigesongo nga the backbone oboremi bwerigo lyomogongo igo wetera soboremi ibirengeri bitu twari guchese county government iligereri nga omoremi orendirwe asogoyo omoremi orendirwe asensemo yechombe twanyorire eae eretayare naende gotoka omoremi orendirwe ase amache omoremi orendirwe ase okugita aliatakeire ase emirimo gokorwa eriyoboremi omoremi orendirwe n'amatoke omoremi orendirwe chingoko omoremi arendwe amo nechinyeni omoremi arendwe n'avocado omoremi arendwe n'ebimeri biri byonsi bigotoka egekogera mono ebinge yabire sensemo ya agriculture lakini birendwe ne county government yo turanyore tore na amasamaya nekerere boigo pamana gutwagakira kisto asito kugaje chindagera icyonse kere twagesire na hende kimana ko ba managed na bano mubwekano county ya Nyamira muna twate serial Nyansiongo ward na Kisii ward nere twale serial board asitoka jite bintu byonse tokwana twabinyora soburaisi tokwana twabinyora ase liguri byanse tokwana twabinyora ekerundi gwense atagete
county Nyamira negatie chi county chikwegokeria ligiro baligia ase oboremi na boigo oboremi bore egesigisa ekenene ase uchumi county Nyamira korende oboremi tibo kunyara gukina bweka onye chinsemo chinde nchirakina egatie chinsemo echio nobunchereria oborendi chipara egatie chinde.
I could also add the road that's passing through Manga Police, Arambe to Kineni. It should be expanded and maintained.
These roads are known where they are. So the county government should not pass their responsibility where the roads are passing to the people, to the residents. Otherwise, we know our people are always very passionate. They will not want their land to be encroached. So let the county government do its work. We have the security apparatus, they are there to protect the contractors. They should not come here and say it is now the residents to decide where the roads have to pass.
Hii barabara ni kwama. Watu wale wanakaa kwa hapo Kineni hapo juu. Walikuja kwa unit yangu wakaweka kiingi hapo. Mimi siku resist. Kwa maana ile serikali inafanya kazi. Hii mambo ya kusema community no. Kama ni community ingekataa, nikatae nitoe vigingi nitupe. Vigingi viko hapa tunaongoja tu ile lami ikija sasa kupita kutoka kwa Nyachai kuelekea njia ile wapite vile walipanga. Kama ni claim utaenda niulize kama mlichukua shamba yako sasa compensation iko.
Zabulon Mumanyi Kerina umo director wa Mangana Lands Physical Planning and Housing Urban Development niga akwerera obuyabu bosangereria ebirengereryo kurwa asekera ensinyo county Nyamira kubwatekana no gutaigwanana bose ogotabwekana kwa maganio y'abamenyi as Chinsinyo ao
naende ga igan township ge wate municipality so chi priorities chabo naende ngo machiko bachiri ching'ake ni chiwodi chiri chikale kuchiri sabu aiga nabo konyora bagoteba iparagete echebe ebekwirani lakini ri sabu kwanyora ng'aki igure naende munyebeka marom na makarabati so ebinte kabire ebyo riri sabu mono bagokwana mang'ana agirikacha yoboremi na ebinto bindi lakini iga nabo konyora mono bagokwana ng'a tubekere chitaya tuigurire na echiro nebinte kabire ebyo ekiagera economic activity gose mainstay y'abantu aba mono ne biashara.
Tutafanya hivi upende haraka, tutaenda na departments, agriculture, environment, health. Tutakuwa tunasema issue na solution to county na tuko na hizi templates. Kama mnaona mko na any issue concern kwa sector, itapatia mtu ataniandikia kwa sector. Kama ni health ataandika health, andike which program na what activities inaweza propose.
Egache chinsemo chiri chikomolekerwa ng'amona oboremi bosasomono bw'ekenyamorero agriculture ebinto bitonchukanaine asomono bw'ekenyamorero environment obochenu asomono bw'ekenyamorero health obunchereria n'obutugi bw'echinsu asomono bw'ekenyamorero cooperatives and fisheries chinguru chomorero bose asomono bw'ekenyamorero energy.
Construction of Nyanderema dispensary. Tikera hadi kia kutana next. Sio sawa? Kiaje hapo tutakuwa tumefanya kazi ya next year, si ndio? Kwa health. I hope tuko pamoja. General economic trade. Kwa trade kuna number of items hapo mlikuwa mmepropose zifanywe for 5 years. Now choose for us at least 4 items zenye mngependa trade ifanye next year. Mlikuwa mmesema ndo atebete construction of markets, atekerenyo obwali kea na gekendo. Nchiro kimoroche ragacho next year ase chinye choreo obwali
nigo ebikare byakoretwe ase amatuko abere chitariki emerongo ebere na isano na isato ne chitariki emerongo ebere na kianda omutienyi ogatano na gatatu omwaka bwekiri bubere na emerongo ebere na isato ase county chinke isano chia Nyamira.
My name is James Ocharo Nyambacha, a CPF member of Nyamira County. Today we are at Mawawa ward where we are having a public participation exercise. The members who are present are representing the others who are not around. We are reviewing or prioritizing what was proposed so that the county government can work or do according to the community's needs, which one priority 1, 2, 3 and the rest. So it's only that we need more and more of community involvement so that we get more and more people coming on board to bring issues that are from the grassroots. We cover the whole ward. As of now, the representation might not be so big when we compare the Mawawa ward and those who have come for the public participation. We need every individual or community members from every corner of the ward. Most members, or at least the number that came up or turned up, do understand what they are supposed to do. The only issue is that they propose and they are very inquisitive as to why what they proposed has not been done. But I know financially, since it is a project or a program that covers around 5 years, right now we want to deal with an issue that is covering an annual plan. The 5-year plan, they gave it. The proposals are there. Now we are prioritizing what can be done within one financial year, which is 2023-2024 budget. Somewhere next year we will also do another one which will cover 2024-2025 until we cover the whole CIDP as proposed by the community.
Ncheria tari ana Richard ngoro kwa mamanyi wadi ene ana magwago bintu twaetetie twalenge ata twalenge no mukutano manene buno oyo twatebete bintu bito cyanditse se wadi magwago twaetetie twagachirwe birasi bya ICT mono turikirwa abarimu lakini ekyo getabeti abarimu tobwato mwarimu yo mo ITC asa abana nge tamanini wono takonyara gasomi na bintu binde buno bole mintu atebete twa guchingoko twa jage to bole mwa wechinswe walitoreri sonte mbule gatwe nyinge chinswe ole kaira obole mubonde mbwalenge twaetwe YouTube gete twaleko tugira chinswe asenge njenda mwamu yo Gusii kwanyora na mu murumi no ndeiga ojo gusiara maguta chinsu cyao cyako njenale kolengereria ase bintu biri twaetetie ngakieria byale kora ko rubuna chindo cye chiere kibara kiri cyatigalite chiere obole mibato tebete chingoko batoe nechimbe gukiri cye cyombe chingia toleterwe noana cyombe tugete kitari kinene okonyora tubwatu munyagitari yomo utabwati office kwanyore karo ko muligine simi sangino mu lemiondo murangiri onyandiria anyore ase office iria muhadi yo mo kansora atwara office yayo yari konyara kero mulimi yakomanyano nkogenda ari nkonyora no munyagitari uri nanda anyore bibia uchere bwa kere ward ye koruga lia libasondu ari chabera oikaga liange ikonge burabu na atambe nyagitari yo mogocha kusafu abalimi abu atabwati kwiki minutes takonyara
Lituko litangani nigo ebikaro byakoretu Asisabu County Isato ekichire burabu Masaba North na Manga. Egatyamangana bagosaba kumorekerwa n'obwagachi bw'ekipara obochenu ase chichiro okwena n'obw'ekibasari ase obwasyoku boigo okolikuwa kwa borokia ba ECD n'obwagachi bw'ebirasi bya ECD n'ayande.
I could also add this route and Soko through Harambe, to Kineni, because it's very dark. And Soko through Kineni. Kwa majina naitwa Edwina Ogega kutoka Manga Scheme. Tuko katika ACC Social Hall. Tumekuja kuzungumza baadhi ya mambo yanayotukumba sisi kama wakazi wa ACC Ward chini ya Nyamira County. Tumezungumza kuhusu baadhi ya barabara ambazo zimeharibika. County inaweza tusaidia kutengeneza na kumaintain. Pia tumezungumza kuhusu insecurity. So kitu muhimu ya kufanya ni kuweka security lights katika towns, na pia kuna baadhi ya soko ambazo zinafaa kutengenezwa ili ziweze kufunction.
Asa Marieta onkoro ku Kennedy ndege. Ogo seitogera sagoro matumuga. ono lero tobwate public participation yaiga naende twarakorire public participation ase amatuko amange ntitwarure maoni yaito bune abanto besise kiare nesise gwore tole ebinto nebinge bitochandete ebinto bitochandete mono mono naende bigokorwa county muna momanyete ntomanyete chigasi rero twamanyire nga chigasi chikokorwa ne county government nchireki na chiri chikokorwa ne national government ward yaito go produce a lot of milk lakini nende ntwana ko chombe gotobwate mechane chombe chikorwara. We have got a lot of problems in that regard. Kiagara kitibu nkiyo ugo spray chombe nkoli as effective una garoto wala gotwala kitibu kya nyori the functioning. So to go request the county government engakie bate mechi dipu yikiro kadlips to bugata within SISA ward kibe renovated kitwala ki committee kyabo kibe run efficiently.
Abali no balema mbatigiri maega asibasaba eserikali kubaligereria ekero bakwenana obokoleri na kulika emeremo.
My name is Christine Kerubo from Nyamira North sub-county. Leo tulikuwa na public participation, so tunataka kuona hii budget ya 2024-2025 kuna some development tunataka county tufanyie. Kama kwa disability ningependelea like kama kuna hii county ikiembroi watu pia iwakumbuke 2% inaitwa chenda inakuanga 5%, pia ikiembroi inawakumbuka, lakini so far our county at least is working on it. I think tukitembea in many departments Nyamira imecharibu, kuna waremafu kwa at least ni wengi 5% wanafuatilia hiyo.
Tumezungumza kuhusu PWDs. Tukoe na youth groups ambazo zinasaidia PWDs pia kupata kipato chao ili wasiweze kudepend on county funds. Yeah.
Ensemo yobochenu nensemo abamenyi bagosaba kuligererigwa ase obuime elinde babakonyora obukoleri obuya ase amaliogo aisaine koretwa abanyagichali kulikwa na gwakanwa buya elinde babakora emirimo yabo ase obuikeranu.
Ya, kwa majina ni Joab Amboto. Mimi ni mzaliwa wa hii county ya Nyamira. Nimefurahi kuwa kwa forum ya leo ya public participation ya county yetu ya Nyamira, ndio tuangalie mambo yanayofaa kufanyika, ndio tuweze kuona kama maendeleo yatafanyika vile tunavyotaka sisi kama wakazi wa Nyamira County. If you go to our health facilities, our referral hospitals, our sub-county hospitals, every other time we are told there are no drugs. Hakuna dawa. Ukiwa na mgonjwa, ingia enda nje nunua dawa, ingia enda nje ununue dawa. So what is the essence of these facilities if we cannot have drugs in our hospitals? So this one thing that we need to check and make sure that it works, so that the people on the ground, wale watu wenye hawana uwezo, maybe who don't have other health schemes, that's the only way they run to. If we cannot help them, then there's nothing we are doing as a county. Another thing that I would wish to talk about is on education, and especially on ECD, which is a county KPI as well. Let's have ECD classes in every school. Let's have our teachers employed in our ECD schools. Let's make sure that they earn something out of that, because most of them wanafanya kazi lakini mishahara yao pia nayo si mzuri sana. And there are feeder roads or the county roads that are supposed to be done by the county as well. We need to see construction ikifanyika ya muhimu that are supposed to be done to the standard whereby it can help the people, instead of kuweka mchanga tu kidogo na mnachomoka mkienda, mkiacha matope imekuwa mingi, watu wanakwama zaidi kuliko vile ilivyokuwa before waweke huu mchanga.
Abamenyi be county Nyamira nigo bagosegechwa kwesokia asobonge ekero kiebikaro byogosangereria ebirengererio igore amagenderero buna enchira eyemo byogosegeta okugwaterana asa magenderero ime county Nyamira.
Yeah, my name is Job Achira, and I'm here today at Kerenyo Youth Center to assist in public participation, which is going on to collect views from the public on areas of the county annual development plan for 2024-2025. This was advertised well in advance, and I'm happy people are flocking in to give in their views on what can be done during this 24-25 financial years. And I'm happy people are coming in large numbers so that they can give in their views. And as we conclude the exercise, I hope that what they will give will go in to what the county will do for them during this financial year 2024-2025.
Maika yuko sangerelia ebirengera libya bamenyi nyige wizara etenenerete obugachi nenibo era chikuikaransanse erinde korosya budget ati barachikobeka amaganyo y'engenjo bosyo. Kurwase County Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.